I went for the new Hockley Supermatte White Handleless kitchen because I wanted to create a modern and fresh interior. Our old kitchen was very traditional. We had a shaker style unit which had dark doors, so I wanted to go for something completely different and make it feel a lot brighter and lighter. We created a linear looking kitchen because we didn't have any handles on the units. We used the white profiles in order to create both horizontal and vertical lines within the kitchen. The great thing about the profiles is that they come in a number of different colours, so you can actually completely change the look of the kitchen just by changing the colour of the profiles. We went with the Miami White Quartz because we wanted to create a really sleek, modern look. Originally we had chosen a wooden worktop, but we went with the quartz instead because it's extremely hard wearing. The designer helped us create our perfect space by suggesting the double height cupboards. So we've almost doubled the storage space from our old kitchen, and also because we had knocked through, we were able to use the 2 tower units to house our fridge and our oven and microwave. In our old kitchen we only had 1 drawer, so to be able to have the 2 pan drawers with the built-in cutlery drawer just creates so much extra storage space for us. I wanted to keep as much clutter off the worktop as possible, so by having the boiling hot water tap we were able to get rid of our old kettle. Having the anti-fingerprint technology is going to be great when the boys are helping me in the kitchen as well, because when they're opening the cupboards and with it being white and fingerprints normally being really noticeable, obviously the anti-fingerprint technology is going to help reduce that. This was 2 separate rooms up until recently, so the dream was to have an open plan kitchen diner. By doing that and extending the kitchen round, it makes the perfect family space.